Good morning. Today we are going to investigate one interactive artifact that provides students with the opportunity to explore a range of simple and compound machines. The activities are designed to develop student knowledge and understanding in the content stream of physical phenomena in the key learning area of science and technology. The outcome addressed in this substrand is PPS 2.4, identifies various forms and sources of energy and devises systems that use energy. Students will be provided with the opportunity to analyze the operation of a variety of simple and compound machines and develop an understanding that a machine is an energy system. Each of the artifacts will be examined to determine their value in supporting sound pedagogy in the classroom through the quality teaching model. Firstly, we will take a look at features of the resource. The artifact that we will review comes from www.edheads.org and focuses on a variety of real-world simple and compound machines.
Simple Machines is a science game for students to identify simple machines around the house and simple machines that make up compound machines in the toolshed. The Simple Machines component is demonstrated in a range of items found in several rooms inside the house. Students are allowed the flexibility of selecting the room of their choice and then locating the items within each room. Each item begins with a question about its use to clarify student understanding. Answers are multiple choice with instant feedback regarding accuracy. The second question determines student knowledge on simple machines. For example, what type of simple machine is a toaster handle? It's a lever. Again with timely feedback. This is followed up with an animated diagram of how this simple machine functions. Once students have finished exploring a room, they can then navigate to another part of the house to complete similar activities. When students enter the toolshed, they are able to select from a range of tools. The EdHeads resource then explains the difference between simple and compound machines. When an item is selected, students are asked to identify what simple machines work together to create a compound machine, building on the students' prior learning and understanding. One weakness we found when reviewing this artifact was that although it is a very engaging game, a lot of the tasks are quite repetitive and it doesn't promote higher order thinking. One positive aspect from this artifact that we'll be using in the future is the idea of using interactive pedagogy to foster student engagement in their content.
The artifact addresses a number of key elements from each dimension of the quality teaching model. Intellectual quality. Deep knowledge is addressed through providing crucial information on the topic of simple machines and developing a related understanding of the more complex concept of compound machines. Deep understanding is evident as the resource allows students the opportunity to test their knowledge by identifying the components of different machines. They are required to solve problems and draw conclusions from increasingly complex evidence which demonstrates their learning. Meta-language is an important aspect of investigating this content stream, for example, an inclined plane. The specialist or technical language is an essential component in providing the crucial topic knowledge and in determining students' understanding when problem solving. Quality learning environment. The elements of engagement is met through providing the students with colourful cartoon graphics and are visually stimulating and delivered through a multimodal text. The content is also engaging as students are constantly required to interact with the artifact in order to explore the properties of each machine, encouraging sustained student investment and on-task behaviours.
Significance. Student background knowledge is important in ensuring meaningful learning for the student. The interactive task requires students to have a basic understanding of simple and compound machines. This knowledge should have been established in the early stage 1 physical phenomena content stream and also developed as prior knowledge through discussing and deconstructing everyday household items from student homes. The artifact demonstrates high connectedness as the simple and compound machines identified allow students to make connections beyond the classroom, giving meaning to the learning task. To allow this connectedness between the school and home context is highlighting learning in reality, making the learning real. After reviewing this artifact in detail, we found it to be a great resource for students to use when learning about simple and compound machines.